What's up, y'all? It's Isaiah here with UNC Student Affairs, and today I got a question for y'all. Have you ever wondered what people thought about you just by looking? Well, today we're back on campus asking students, tell me without really telling me. Let's go. All right, tell me you got a midterm without telling me you got a midterm.
I switch out my jeans for sweatpants.
Valid.
I have canvas pulled up in the middle of a party.
My location's still gonna say Davis at 2 a.m.
I just opened grade scope. You don't even want to know.
It's looking rough out here, y'all.
Man, I ain't been asleep before 2 in about 3 weeks, bro.
I feel that. Same here. Tell me y'all majors without telling me y'all majors.
We don't get any free time.
Dang.
Sometimes I spend more time in Phillips Hall than my home.
That gotta be comp sci or chem.
Close.
Math.
I don't have any work.
And let me guess. Business.
Nah.
Dang. Philosophy.
I could be on social media and stuff.
Journalism.
Which
Media and journalism. Sports
public
media.
relations.
Advertising and public relations. All right. Dang, y'all don't got no work? That's lucky.
What up, y'all? It's Ash with Student Affairs. I'm here with my boy Zay. Tell me you go to UNC without telling me you go to UNC.
I gotta walk past the pit preacher screaming in my ear for about like 30 minutes.
True, you ever heard the dude that whistled too on camp?
Whistle? Nah, I ain't heard.
Whistler? You ain't heard the Whistler?
Nah, I ain't heard the whistle.
Do your homework on the Whistler. Shout out the Union of Black Men at UNC. Yeah.
Tell me you go to UNC without telling me you go to UNC.
All right, so I'm holding this cup in my hand, and it has free oat milk in it, and it's from Meantime on campus, and I love it.
So hit up Meantime and get you that free oat milk.
Last week I almost got ran over by a scooter athlete.
Scooter athletes, I never heard that name. Tell me you in the pit without telling me you in the pit.
My boy, you already know I had to come fitted, you feel me? You feel me?
Pit poppin' Friday?
Little, some smooth, you feel me?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Tell me you got a meal plan without telling me you got a meal plan.
I have 2+ swipes left.
Be rationing for real. All right, tell me you're a work study student without telling me you're a work study student.
I'm literally the person behind the camera.
Best camera woman on campus.
And go.
Did y'all like the video? I know you had to if you came this far. If you want to see more, tune in to UNC Student Affairs on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. See you next time.